In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to gain free unlimited coins on Poppo app through Fireworks. In case you are new and you don't know, Poppo is a news platform that rewards its users with amazing incentive and benefit. And you need to be part of agency and you need a link that you can join. So in the description of this video and in the comment section, I'm going to drop a link that you can use to register, as well as my Telegram channel, or a group that you can join to see how to register and every help that you need. And at the same time, I'm going to drop a playlist to all the videos I have made so far on Poppo. All right, so right here, I'm already in my Poppo. Here is my coin, and I've earned more than 8,000 coins today, all for free. So all you need to do is join any party or any live stream. Once you have done that, ensure your eyes is on the comment section if you want to get free fireworks, because let me click again so that you will see, so that I can see. In case you have already joined, you didn't check, here you have how you can see your balance. Okay, so put your eyes in the comment section, because the faster you join the Firework, the better for you, and the higher the chances that you are going to gain coin. And ensure your comment section is on all, so that you'll be able to see the Firework. So once you want to gain coins from Firework, put your eyes in the comment section. All right, so right here, I will just sit and wait to see if there is any fireworks that is going to blow. As you can see, yes, right here saying system message, a firework will blow. Just click on go to see immediately. So when you tap on this go to see, it's going to bring you to where the firework is going to bloom, right? So as you can see, it's just 400 persons that are in the group. As you can see, it's going faster, people are running in. So because I joined faster, now you will see I'm going to gain coin. I have gained a lot, but I'm not going to show you all the videos at once, okay? But I'll just show you two that I earn free coins right now, okay? And at the same time, if you don't know how to play game, okay, in the comment section, I will drop videos that will take you to where you learn how to play games also and win. This app is amazing. This app is amazing. Ensure you sign up if you didn't. So this is the Firework. So as the Firework is exploding, coins is entering into my wallet, all for free, for doing nothing. You don't have to tap or anything. You don't have to sit on a chair. Just join and stay quiet, okay? So like right now, if I click on my coins now, like this, all right, if I just click on it, my gift box, you can see I have gained 70 coins, right? So let me go out again, because once I am hustling for Firework, I don't even say hello or anything. So I'll come back again, click on this. As you can see, when I refresh, you see it's 70 to 12,070 coins. So I will just go back again. I will join another party, okay? I will just join another party. Click on this cup sign, you join a party. So when I come to a party, I will ensure my comment is also on all again, okay? And once I have done that, I'm going to wait to see if there's any system message that Fireworks. You see, here's another one now. So I will just click on go to see this system message, agency, or blah blah blah. I'll just grab it. Once I see Firework inside, it has finished. I'll just run and come. See, now I join when it is even 300, and before you know, see how people are rushing up. Because I'm fast. See now, right now it's already blooming. So as the Firework blow, you don't have to tap anything. You don't have to do anything. Just be in the room without sitting. Just be in the room. So as the Firework explodes, coins are being added to my wallet, okay? Sometimes I get up to 500 coins. In fact, I got more than 8,000, but it's just that I did not screen record that one, being that some people are saying they are not getting coins. So I just said to let me try it, and then I did not record. It's just this one I record. That you see right now, I have 12,290 something, right? Let me just see it properly. So yes, that's the coins I've gotten right now. So that is how you'll be doing to get free coins, and you can use it to play game. You can also grab free coins from treasure box. So I want to show you 5 different ways you can get free coins on Poppo. If you are interested, kindly comment make money with Poppo. Just comment make money with Poppo app or make money with PoppoLive, and I'm going to do videos that will show you 5 different ways you can get free coins on Poppo. All right, so if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so that you'll be notified whenever I put a new video, and also turn on your notification. Okay, like this video. Thank you so much, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.